Student, I am Sandeep Singh, your SST teacher. Student, this is the third part of video of chapter 3rd, the Northern Mountains. In the previous two videos, I have taught you the extension of the Himalayas and what are the three ranges of the Himalayas. Okay, and also told you that what are the lifestyle or what are the human life in Himalayan region. Today I am going to teach you about importance of the northern mountains. So let's start now. First we look at there are several points are given here. So we look at the every points and explain of the each points of this lesson. Okay, the Himalayas protects us from the cold winds that blow from Central Asia. Okay, Himalaya is important for us because it protects us cold winds that is blow from Central Asia. Student, imagine that this is Himalaya region and here it is Central Asia. From Central Asia, it region has cold throughout the year. Okay, so in this region the winds are cold due to this their climate. So from there the winds blow towards the southern part of the Asia and it varied by the Himalayas because Himalaya is very high mountain. So it cannot be cross Himalayas. So it protect the India from cold winds. If Himalaya does not here the cold wind across the country and it may be cold desert in winter. What would be India? That is, it is cold desert in winter, while they also act barrier stop monsoon wind from going outside India. Okay, while if Himalaya does not exist here, the monsoon winds which are come from the sea and lead in the moisture and act the rainfall in the most part of the country. If Himalaya does not exist here, so the monsoon winds across the country and this area remain dry. This area remain dry. So this country would be desert in the summer. So if you look at the location of the Himalayas, that is it is very important for our countries. Okay, the monsoon winds hit the Himalayas and turn back, bringing heavy rainfall to the northern plain and plains of India. Okay, so due to the Himalaya, it is very heavy rainfall in the northern plain and most part of the country. So we are able to growing different types of crop in this region. Okay, many important rivers of India have their origin in Himalayan glacier. These rivers provide us with water and deposit silt, make land fertile agriculture. Student, the other point is very important point, that is if Himalaya does not exist here, what would be? That is there are several glacier. Glaciers are found in Himalayan region, okay, and they are major source of river, okay. So if Himalaya does not exist here, then would be glacier are not found there. So while the glacier are not found, that there are no river originated from Himalayas, so this region remain dry throughout the year, and we are facing of water, okay, lack of water, okay. Now the Himalayas form a natural barrier protecting India from animals. Student, you all know that there are many attacks to India from western side, but it is not possible to northern side because it is very high mountain, so it is not possible to cross the Himalayas without any help, any due to the cold or glacier. So it protect the India from our enemies, okay. A variety of wild animals, birds and plants are found in the lower range of northern mountain. We also get wood, medicinal plants and other useful things from the forest there. Student, do you know that? What are the three ranges of Himalayas? Yes, there are three ranges of Himalayas, okay? And you all know that the Himadri range, Himachal range and Shivalik range. Beside two ranges of Himalayas that are Himachal range and Shivalik range, the Himadri range is covered with snow throughout the year. So this region has no vegetation found, okay, but the two regions are much lower than the Himadri range, so it is not covered with snow throughout the year. Only some parts of the this region that are Himachal range covered with snow throughout the year, but mostly part of the Himachal range or Shivalik range are covered with thick forest, okay. So due to the found of forest very, and the variety of animals, wildlife animals are found in this region, okay. And we also get different types of medicinal plants which are used to our cure for many types of disease, okay. During the hot summer months, the hill stations are popular places to visit, okay. In summer season, the Himalayas act a hill station to protect the summer from the plain areas, okay. Now look at the higher order skill. What do you think the climate of India would have been the Himalayan had not been there? Give reason for your answer. If Himalaya is not there, what are affected of the climate in India? Give reason. That is, there are 2 points are given in this line that are barrier. They are also barrier. Stop monsoon wind from outside India. The monsoon wind hit Himalayas, turn back and bringing heavy rainfall to northern plains, okay. And Himalaya protect the from cold winds that blow Central Asia, okay. There are two main points of are the answer of this question, because if Himalaya is not there, this region has been uh, desert, can be desert in summer season and cold desert in winter season, because if a monsoon cross the country there is no rainfall in the country, and while from Central Asia the cold wind cross the country, it has been cold desert throughout the in winter. Okay. Now next is the right value. Each states of India has contribute in own way make India richer in culture as well natural resources. We should try know more about the culture of other state that learn to respect them. Student, each state has its own culture, and it is duty of our to protect and encourage the different types of culture to each states and respect to each other. Okay. Now we look at the problem facing the northern mountain. What are the main problem in northern mountain? There are various problems that are looking appear in this region, that are over past few years, because of the growing number of people here, large area of forest have been cleared for agriculture and supply wood for fire, paper, construction materials. As you know that this area has covered with thick forest, but over a period of time that here is a more population increased, so the number of trees are cutting down for different types of different material like paper and timber, so on. So okay, so this leads deforestation. Okay, resulting soil erosion are some main problem faced by this region today. By the deforestation, this area is heavy soil erosion in this area, and the Indian government has turned area like Corbett National Park to protect this area and to protect the forest of this region. The government forest change into the forest in national park or wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuary or national park has a very large forest there. No activities is allowed. Activities are allowed to there. Only animals can be live without fear. Okay. Uttarakhand, the Indian government has turned area like Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand and Kaziranga National Park into protected areas, stop deforestation and save wild animals. Okay, so this is the your chapter, and now look at the main points of this lesson in summing up. The northern mountains run along the entire stretch of India from north to northeast. Okay, the Himalayas run from the north to northeast. It is stretched from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, they include the Karakoram, Himalayan, and Purvanchal range. There are three main ranges that are Karakoram, Himalayan, and Purvanchal range. Okay, and also Himalayan region include the Himadri range, Himachal range, and Shivalik range. Himadri range is called Greater Himalaya, Himachal range is called Middle Himalaya, and Shivalik range is called the Lower Himalaya. Agriculture, animals rearing, and forestry are the main occupation of people living in Himalayan region. People who lived their activity are animal husbandry, agriculture, and forestry. Okay, tourism and local handicraft industries are also important source of income. Uh, People who engage in tourism and local handicraft. They make the different types of handicrafts like shawl, sweaters, caps, so many other things that are famous for our country, all country, and that is important source of the people in this region. People living in different Indian states lies along Himalayan have different unique culture of its own. People who live in this country, their its own culture. You have to seen in Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. There are their own culture would be seen. Okay, the Himalayan are important India geographical, economical, and political as well as cultural region. Okay, so this is your chapter, and in next video I would be explain the exercise of this lesson, and I can solve the question answer. We can solve the question answer. Okay, till then, goodbye.